There are multiple ways to add basic edits to your photos in Capture One. In this tutorial, we'll cover Auto Adjust, Match Look, Before and After, and Basic Slider Operation. Please note, this tutorial doesn't cover the functioning of each slider. If you want to learn more about any tool, simply hover over it on the Capture One interface. That will bring up the Enhanced tooltip, where you will find a link to a short video covering that specific tool. Let's start with the Auto Adjust tool. Start by selecting in the browser the photo you want to adjust. Then, click on the Auto Adjust button on the toolbar. Notice how some sliders have been adjusted. If you press on the arrow right next to the button, you will find all the tools that can be included in Auto Adjust. Now, we'll select White Balance and Levels as well, and click Auto Adjust again. We can now see both of these tools have been adjusted. To see the global before and after of all our adjustments, press the button on the right-hand side of the toolbar. To see the global before and after of all our adjustments, press the button on the right-hand side of the toolbar. By default, you will get the Split View slider. You can also switch to Full View. You can also use the shortcut Y to toggle the before and after view on and off. Let's readjust some of the sliders manually. For example, we can take down the exposure by dragging the slider down. For extra precise adjustments, click on the numeric values and use your up and down keys. You can reset every slider to 0 by double-clicking on it. Now, let's reduce the contrast a bit more. By long pressing on the slider name, you will get a before and after view of that specific slider. To reset the whole tool, simply click on this arrow, or long press it while holding your Option or Alt key to see the before and after of the whole tool. All editing in Capture One is non-destructive. This means you can always return to your original RAW file. To do this, simply click the Reset button on the toolbar. To undo any step, use the shortcut Command or Ctrl+Z. You can use this command multiple times. To redo a step, use the Command +Shift+Z shortcut. Now, let's adjust the composition of our image using the Crop Cursor tool. Now that we're happy with the results, let's copy and apply these adjustments to the rest of the batch. To copy all adjustments from the selected image, press this button on the toolbar. To select one or more photos, press and hold the Command or Ctrl key while clicking on the thumbnails. Or use the shortcut Command or Ctrl+A to select all images in the collection. Now that all photos are selected, we'll click on the Apply arrow. By default, Capture One will apply all adjustments except for composition.